Hello ladies and gentlemen, Lock and Crawl here. I just want to give you some tips and tricks here. Some of you that follow me probably seen some of my videos here. I recently installed a RockHard cage on knuckles here, and when I did that, I took the padding off of the roll bar, the stock roll bar here. And as some of you might know, there's a section here that's for some reason when they manufacture these vehicles, they don't paint the rear bar back there, and it has this mustardy brownish color which doesn't match, and it looks pretty bad. What I did at first was I went to O'Reilly's and I picked up some silver paint, kind of try to match it up the best possible, but I was not happy with it. It didn't come out as I expected. So I went online and came across this company, which I thought was pretty cool, so I wanted to share. It's called Touch Up Direct. Bought this with a kit. I believe it was about $50. The paint matches exactly to the silver. There's a section when you went to the website, you just provide them with your color code, and it took a few weeks for me to receive this, but once I got it, I did a little test run and actually came out perfect. With the paint and the clear coat, like I said, it's roughly about $50 or so. It's not like I'm doing this on the body, it's on the back. Most of the year the Jeep is covered, so you can't really see it, so it doesn't have to be perfect. However, it came out pretty good. I did actually primer it first, and I just went with some generic here Rust-Oleum primer and did that first. Didn't really fully prepare the area, just kind of cleaned it up a little bit and taped up the surroundings. I did overspray a little bit, but I'll be cleaning that up. It's still drying. I did 2 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear coat, and it looks pretty spot on. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm gonna have to once it's dry, I'll add that to my reel, and I'll put it in the garage so you get a better feel for it. But here in person, it looks really spot on. But yeah, just thought I would share that. If you guys were interested in doing something like this, removing the padding, I think it looks pretty awesome. The one thing that I don't know if you guys have heard before, but when you remove the padding, there's also wires that come down this side, which is actually for the light in the rear, but I don't really care for that, so I took that off. And back here, this is the other section where you got some wires here. I'm gonna clean this up, probably tuck it under, but that's about it. I mean, it's not bad. And when I had the cage powder coated, I did remove these bars, and I had these powder coated just because of the fact that it's here directly connected to it. So I figured, you know what, let's just go ahead and powder coat that as well. That way it just matches beautifully. So I'm really happy with this cage. It came out really, really good. And I'm been working with CMM Off-Road, trying to get these custom knuckles made here so it works with the cage. When I was out there at Easter Jeep Safari, spoke with RockHard, and they actually custom made these for me without the actual grab handle. That way I could continue with my knuckles grab handles there. And yeah, thought I would share that. Thought it was kind of cool. Pretty good company, and it did the job. All right, guys. Well, I hope you guys learned something from this, and maybe if it's something you guys want to do, you guys could consider this company. All right.